Okay, this is a preview of the Sony CFS-F10. Okay, and today is later in the day after I shot another video about some other thing. So today is April 1, 16:24 in the afternoon. Okay, this is a Sony CFS-F10. I'm playing it via the CD player right now. Just want to show you it up close. And this is a Sony CFS-F10. Not to be confused with, and this is what got me confused, with the Sony CFS-F10. This is a Sony, this is a Sony CFD-F10. Okay? It says so right on the bottom of this thing. It says, it says right here, it's a Sony CFD F10, CFD. This is a Sony CFS F10. So they're both F10s, except this one is a CD, cassette player, and radio with remote control. Okay, and it's got a handle, and this one works, but I've already reviewed it way back when. But I just want to show you that because it's the same. This is a CFS, that's a CFD. Okay, so now I just want to show you briefly. Let me zoom this thing in. Alright, so zoom this one. I've already got the other one zoomed in. Alright, so again, I'm playing this via the CD player, which is this thing right here. Okay, so if we bump it up one, and the volume down low, let's see here. Give it some volume. So, anyway, that works. Alright, now if we flip it, let's see here. I'll just bring it up to you. Whoops. Looks like this. Right, go that way. Yeah, there we go. Got a power button, volume, balance, tone, tape, line in, radio. The radio works. Okay. So it's up here. Oh, well. Can't remember where the stereo indicator. Oh, there it is. There's a stereo light right there. That's the stereo light. Okay. So there's the stereo light. And over here it's got a power light. And it's got it's got your line in on the back here. Wait, no, there's a line in on the back, like this. And here's your whatever it's got there. What is this? Headphones. You can see that.
In-store, online, or try curbside pickup today.
External mic, left and right. Your ISS, which is your something in a, I can't remember. It's a Sony Pro thing, and it's got two different AC and DC inputs. Right. It's just a quick little video. And then of course, if you put it on tape, it's on tape now. Okay. Switch it over to tape. We hit play, right? Hit play. The motor came on, it ran, green light came on, and that was it. So this is before I take it apart and repair it. So I just want to show it to you like that. So the tape deck does this, the light comes on, motor runs and stops. That's it. So good day, bye-bye. Just a quick little thing before I take it all apart, shoot lots of pictures of it, and clean it up and get the dust out of the speaker covers and such, and then make it all nice and shiny because it's all dull in here and everything. So I just wanted to show it to you like that. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to have fun. I've been waiting to do this for all week since because I had to work on those sharp units. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.